monuments that stand today as reminders of the past and warnings to future generations not to repeat the mistakes of history. We have come together this morning as a school community to mark the centenary of the signing of the armistice and the end of the First World War. We shall collectively pay our respects and remember all those who have lost their lives in conflict. We owe a huge debt of gratitude to all those who gave everything for our
ordered the British to fight to the last man. This, combined with the collapse of German supply lines, soon brought the offensive to an end, and the Allies then began.
1960. Within a week, he was wading miles along trenches 2 feet deep in water and was experiencing gas attacks and artillery fire. He became horrified by the sights, sounds and smells of the battle.
These who die as cattle. Only the monstrous anger of the guns. Only the stuttering rifle's rapid rattle can patter out their hasty orisons. No mockeries now for them, no prayers nor bells, nor any voice of mourning save the choirs, the shrill, demented choirs of wailing shells and bugles calling for them.
The reality of it all became clear as we visited a centenary memorial near Ypres, commemorating every Belgian life lost in the war. The colossal losses the Belgians faced to their families and communities was obvious and truly awful, but we remembered them. The next day, we travelled back over the border to France, to the Somme, where more than 1 million men were wounded or killed in the summer of 1916. Newfoundland Park is an incredible memorial which honours those who gave their lives.